Hello friend, Shreyas here from shreyasyadav.com. In this Lightroom tutorial, we will learn how to set a black and white point. Black and white point sliders are used to set brightest and the darkest pixels. These extreme pixels define the extreme points on your image histogram. By adjusting a white and black point in your images, you are adjusting the dynamic range. In most of the cases, we try to increase the dynamic range. In simple words, with the black and white point sliders, you can define which is the darkest and which is the brightest pixel in your image. Let's see how we can set up black and white point in Adobe Lightroom. We are in the develop module of Adobe Lightroom. This is a basic panel, and under basic panel, you will find a white and a black point slider. Let's learn three methods to set up black and white points. So method number one, we'll adjust the white point first. Click on the white point slider and press Alt or Option key. The image will appear black and drag the slider till you see the first pixel. You can see the blue pixel started appearing on the right image in the right. Okay, that's what is our white point. Now let's adjust the black point. So click on the black point slider and press Alt Option key. Drag the slider towards left or the negative number till you start seeing the pixels. So here we can start seeing the pixels which are yellow or green, black. So this is our black point. So you can see the difference between before and after image after adjusting white and black points. Now let's see second method, how to adjust a black and white point. This method is fairly simple. So go to the white point slider and press Shift key and double click on whites. There you go. The white point is adjusted. Similarly, go to the black point slider, press the Shift key and double click on the black slider. There you go. So this is the before and after picture. Pretty easy, right? Now let's see the third method to set up the black and white points. To adjust the white point slider, click on this clipping triangle and start increasing the white point slider till you start seeing the blinkies. So here we start seeing the blinkies over here. Okay. Similarly, to adjust a black point, I will click on this shadow clipping and then I will start dragging the black slider towards left until we start seeing the blinkies. So here you can see these are the blinkies for the black point, and there you go, you have adjusted the black and white point. This is the before and after picture of the black point slider. Now start setting up the black and white point and make your images beautiful. With the black and white point setup, you will start seeing a significant improvement in image dynamic range. Thanks for watching this video. I have a special free gift for you. It's my 9-step Adobe Lightroom guide. It includes a Lightroom guide that shows you how to go from a raw image to an awesome image, how to use the Lightroom tools to enhance the image, a free set of images for you to practice. To get this free guide, click on the link in the video description below. And if you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and click on the bell icon so that when a new video comes, you will get a notification. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Hey, again, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.